A fun Dollar Tree Chanel inspired perfume bottle decor piece that you can do. So they have these cute little perfume decor pieces at Dollar Tree, but we just want to change it up. To get inside, I had to cut, like, so kind of score the back of it. To get inside, you got to go real deep and as close to the edge as possible. Then I pried it open, and then you can see inside there are latches, like picture latches, but they don't put them on the outside. So I scraped off the middle part because we want to change it up. It worked best with the butter knife because it was nice and flat. And then I printed this out with my Cricut, but I decided that I wasn't going to go on the outside. So I just cut the paper, curved the bottom of it, and just left it on the same paper that the vinyl was cut on. But you can print this out with regular paper. And then I'm just going to make sure everything looks nice. I'm going to flip it over and use the cardboard side of the piece, and then I'm just going to cover that with Mod Podge. Make sure the print is in the middle so that it lines up kind of with the perfume bottle. I took these beads from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cover the board with Mod Podge, and then these beads get it to the point where it is nice and covered all around the Chanel sign, and then use those little latches that were hidden inside and put that there. You can leave it just like that. It was a debate. My daughter said she liked it with the top on it because it's like a perfume bottle in a perfume bottle. So I just took two Jenga blocks and a little wood block from Dollar Tree, get them in the crafting section, and then did that the same way I did the other part with the Mod Podge and the little beads. And this is how it came out. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Follow for more.